Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says if x square is not equal to n pi plus 1, this is the condition given, and n belongs to natural number, then integration of x whole root 2 sine x square minus 1 minus sine 2 x square minus 1 upon 2 sine x square minus 1 plus sine 2 x square minus 1 dx is equal to. Options given are first log cos x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Second is half log cos x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Third is log sec x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c. And fourth is half log sec x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Now let us move to the solution part. The question main part is this. And if you see here, it can be directly noted that x square minus 1 is both in numerator and denominator, so it would be substituted. Now let us move to the solution. So as I said, x square minus 1 is taken as t, and so the x dx is equals to dt by 2. Now putting the value of t, simply we get this 2 sin t minus sin 2t upon 2 sin t plus sin 2t dt by 2, taking the half dt by 2 common. So half integration under the root 2 sin t 1 minus cos t 2 sin t 1 plus cos t. So here the property is used, and directly by simplifying it we get half integration tan t by 2 dt. So directly it is equal to log sec t by 2 plus c, and if we put on the value of t again, which is x square minus 1, we would get the answer log sec x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c. It was a pretty simple question. I hope everybody got it. Answer is third option.